Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop and
Aria!
welcome to an episode of
Ari Attempts!
And Ari, what are we making today?
I don't forget.
Well, we are going to take these fortune cookies and we are going to turn them into cute, adorable mummies. Let's get into it!
The first thing we're going to do is make sure that all of the packaging is off of our fortune cookies. Your fortune cookies might not have any packaging at all. Take some white chocolate candy melts and melt them in a microwave-safe bowl. Now, you might want to use white chocolate, but you will get a little bit more of a yellowish tinge, but these candy melts are in bright white. Add plenty of vegetable oil to the melted chocolate. If you don't add vegetable oil, then you could end up with really chunky dipped fortune cookies. Vegetable oil should be the only thing that you use to thin out your chocolate. If you try to use water, it's going to cause everything to seize up. Now you're going to take your fortune cookie and dip it in generously. Whirl off any of that excess chocolate. I should also mention that it's super important to place your dipped fortune cookies onto a piece of parchment or any other non-stick surface. If you don't, it's going to be really tricky to pull off that chocolate fortune cookie once it's dried. Let the chocolate completely solidify for at least 1 minute in the freezer. Then you're going to take some chocolate and drizzle it all on top. This is going to be like the mummy bandages. Aria finds it easier to drizzle these when I hold it for her. Today we're using little candies that look like eyeballs. You can buy these anywhere. We bought ours at a local craft store. All you need is a little dab of white chocolate to secure these eyes to the mummy fortune cookies. We decided to move some of the eyes closer together because it gave the mummy a cuter look.
Eat the fortune.
Try not to eat the fortune.
Stay right here.
How is it? There you go. Now we can get the fortune out. What does our fortune say?
I don't know.
Trust is earned by many deeds. What does that mean?
Bees.
What does it mean?
Bees.
Bees?
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie Fam. Bye! Ari Attempts every Saturday.